Okay guys, this is my fishing kayak setup for the bass fishing. So from here you can see it is a Frontier and 12 feet, and with the two outriggers to make even more stable. And for the re-entry, here's for the re-entry. I customized tailor-made a ladder to re-entry. And now here you can see this is the anchor system. Okay, so the 360 seat, the fish finder, the front GoPro camera, so here is the milk crate. I poured about 5 rod holders, and at the back is my 2.5 horsepower outboard Suzuki. So now we have the night flight, the light and the flag LED, and here we have the back camera, the GoPro. So most of the time I bring 5 rods with me when I go bass fishing. So this one is the medium power, that especially for the crankbait. This is the medium heavy one I use for the swim baits. My punchy sit up, and my frog sit up. Okay, frog. And the wacky, the only one spinning rod. Alright, pretty much is it.